thinking back, one of the things I love about cars is that they can be extremely pragmatic and they can also be extremely artistic. And then finding that balance is a very individual thing.
I think the way to balance history of a car and making it your own is by stepping back and looking at what the essence of this piece of design is, and then doing it your own way, but still keeping that essence. You kind of have to look at the thing as a whole.
Yeah, it's not about the numbers, it's about the kind of cohesiveness of it. Then it feels like you're driving a thing that has its own idea, its own like vision.
And maybe you can accentuate something, push another thing away, right? I think that's what we do.
I was going to say that if you're trying to balance some arbitrary decision between going to an original part and going an aftermarket part, that's a decision by committee who aren't you, who you don't align with necessarily.
Yeah.
You just got to do what you think is cool. And I think that's the key.
And once you do something, once it goes through your eyes and your hands, that thing becomes yours. So I don't think you have to worry about how to make it your own. Just by doing it, it becomes yours.